Success stories of Beacon Government Polytechnic Narnaul. Civil Engineering Department. Civil engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with the development of skills required to plan, design, and execution of the construction of public and residential infrastructure and to improve existing infrastructure or modernize them to meet present requirements. Learning outcomes of the scheme is to develop the skill with practical exposure to understand, study, plan, design, execute, improve, and modernize the infrastructure like public and residential. The job opportunities: a pass out student of civil engineering can be enrolled, placed as site supervisor, the site engineer, quality supervisor, project engineer, junior engineer in central government, state government, PSU and private organization of civil engineering like State Public Works Department, B&R, State Public Works Department, Irrigation, State Public Works Department, PHED, Central Public Works Department, CPWD, National Highway Authority of India, NHAI, Border Security Force, BSF, Border Road Organization, BRO, Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, Military Engineering Services, MES, Haryana Urban Development Authority, HUDA, Police Housing Corporation, PHC, City Municipal Committee, CMC, Larsen, Ircon Limited, NBCC, DLF. Now, success of Beacon Government Polytechnic in Civil Engineering Department. The name of candidate is Mr. Mohit Goyal. Roll number is 10008070032. Designation Junior Engineer, Department HVPNL, Haryana Vidyut Prasaran Nigam Limited. Next name is Ashish Yadav. Roll number 10008070007. Designation Junior Engineer Civil, Department IIT Jodhpur. Next candidate is Bablu Kumar. Roll number 1500807 Designation is Junior Engineer, Department Revenue Department, Bihar. Next candidate is special pride of our country. Name is Gajendra Singh. Roll number 090080710054. Recruited as a sub-inspector in BSF, Border Security Force. Students not only got jobs, some special students were also there who later gave employment to the people, means they became entrepreneur. And the name of the candidate is Mr. Parveen Jangra, BTech and Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, and the alumni of Beacon Government Polytechnic Narnaul. The batch of the candidate is 1999. Company founded by Mr. Parveen Jangra is Delta Engineers, and the basic infrastructure or the basic information of Delta Engineer is name of business is the manufacturer. The company CEO name is Mr. Parveen Jangra. Year of establishment is 2020. Legal status of the firm is partnership firm, and the annual turnover of this company is 50 lakh to 1 crore. And here the GST numbers are clearly shown, and the company address. Detail of Mr. Parveen Kumar, a diploma in mechanical engineering, alumni of Beacon Government Polytechnic Narnaul, shares that the learning he received at institute helped him to begin his journey in entrepreneurship. He appreciates the caliber the diligence and enthusiasm of the teachers at Beacon Government Polytechnic Narnaul and thanks them for a lifetime of memories. The another person who also become an entrepreneur passed his diploma from Beacon Government Polytechnic. Name of candidate is Mr. Dinesh Kumar, diploma in electrical engineering, and alumni Beacon Government Polytechnic Narnaul 1999 batch. Mr. Dinesh Kumar, a diploma in electrical engineering, alumni of Beacon Government Polytechnic Narnaul, shares his words. I would always be grateful to Beacon Government Polytechnic Narnaul for giving me multi-dimensional learning by providing the apt mix of academic, the industry's experience, the attitude and the leadership. The teachers are all dedicated experts and helpful in their respective subjects. I always the feeling of the students at an institute which focused on career enhancement along with the overall development, and the company founded by Mr. Dinesh Kumar is name of company is JS Power Solutions Private Limited. Nature of work is electrical and mechanical services. This is the registered office and works district Rewadi, Bawal. Office address is the Bhiwadi Alwar Bypass, Bhiwadi. GST number, the PAN number, name of the bankers, name, account details, bank IFSC codes. These are all complete details about the JS Power Solution Private Limited. The expertise are all HT, LT electrical works, means high tension, low tension, earthing solution and other type of such expertise. Now next signing stars are from instrumentation and control engineering. Name is Mr. Sandeep, roll number 070815038. Company name is Klantha Research Limited. Plot number A2A, Sector 63, Noida. Salary packages 19.5 lakh PA. Designation Manager. Next name is Mr. Manoj Kumar, roll number 070815063. Company name is Udan. Salary package is 6 lakh. Designation Senior Engineer. Next candidate is name Sunil, roll number 0900815049. Company name is SRF Limited. Salary package is 6.5 lakh PA. Designation is Junior Engineer Instrumentation. Next candidate is Jay Bin. Roll number is 130081511414. Company name is VRKP Spong and Power Plant, Bellary, Karnataka. Salary package is 6.5 lakh PA. Designation Junior Engineer Instrumentation.